try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, features, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
And there is some mobile legends and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. You can see on the screen how many guests will be required to present photo ID as check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
One time provided in the description. By commenting, we will help you.
If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,